everyone, welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. This is Saili, your fitness expert. So today we are going to see part 2 of COVID recovery yoga. We are going to see some more exercises and breathing pattern that will help you to recover from the COVID infection and which will make you relax and feel better. So let's have a look on it. Leg stretches. So take your right leg on your left thigh like this and you will just bend down as you are. Again come up. You can do this stretching your hands up also, but I am going to show today some simple exercises that you can do after your recovery. So again take a deep breath in and go down. This will give stretches in your back, in your lower back, and it will remove the stress from your lower back also, because many patients have complained of lower back pain. You can hold this hand like this and go down. Again come up. You can repeat this set for 3 to 4 times with each leg. And relax. Now again we will do some hand and arm stretches. That will again open up your chest and it will improve your lung capacity and taking oxygen in your lungs. So you will sit straight first. Take your both the hands at the back, interlock them like this and try to pull them up as much as you can. You will sit straight, you will not bend forward. Sit straight, down, relax, again up. Down, relax, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Relax. You can repeat this for 6 to 7 times. Our next exercise is very easy and everyone must be knowing about that. It is the butterfly posture. We are going to do half butterfly because this exercise helps you to open up your thighs. If you have any pain in your thighs, if you have any lower back pain, that will be released with this exercise and you will feel very much relaxed. So we will just take our legs like this, hold it with our hand, hold our knee with our other hand and take it up and down. You will sit straight, inhale, exhale, down. You can take it as much close to your body, up and down, up and down. This gives you very relaxed feeling to your legs and your thighs. You can repeat this with the other leg. Take the other leg, right leg on your thigh. Take it up and down. Sit straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep breathing continuously. And you have to do it very slow because we have just recovered from the COVID situation. Don't be in a hurry. Don't force your body to do the exercises. Go with the flow. Slowly take your legs down and relax. The breathing exercises. In this we will firstly see how we can do deep breathing. So just inhale and exhale at your place. Keep your hands on your legs like this. Cup your knees. Sit, relax. You can take pillow to your back if you want to. And take a deep breath in and deep breath out. But if you are taking a pillow, you will not slouch like this. You will be sitting straight because when we slouch, our lungs get compressed and we are short of taking the oxygen inside. So try to sit straight, widely open your chest. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Making a pout of your mouth. You will exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax yourself with this breathing. You can repeat this round. You can do this in counts also. You can do inhalation in 3 counts and exhalation in 6 counts. Repeat this round of breathing for 10 times. So that will benefit you. Was some easy exercises which you can do daily by sitting in your home. It is not needed any equipment or any fat gym equipment, so you can do it very easily. So try doing this in repetitions as I have mentioned in the videos. Keep watching the videos for more information like and share with the people out need there. Thank you for watching me. Do subscribe our channel.